let's talk about that sources without wasting our time. So, firstly, everyone talks about the polity. Lakshmi Kant. Yeah, this is how it is. But for the beginner, it is very heavy book because when he opened it, he found everything important. He couldn't understand the meaning between the lines. So I'll suggest कि first don't jump into this book. There are good books that available in market. You can go and buy, and that is uh, first book I'll refer Baziram's uh, part one. Specifically, it's deal about the basic things like what is the concept of the polity, constitutional development, salient features of that, citizenship, fundamental rights, DPSP, so on till the time till the where state legislature. And the second part deals with the judiciary and all the other important aspect of polity. So this is the second one. You can see my notes are in there. So just go and read them. If you find any kind of difficulty in any topic, just go on YouTube or ask the chat GPT. It will gonna worth it, or you will make sense out of that. Then jump into this book. It's a heavy book. You'll make a good amount of time, energy to read this. So first build your basic and then jump on this. And the most important thing, everyone talks about ki we should firstly check out the syllabus. We should firstly check out the PYQ. How UPSC asking the question, the pattern they are asking. For what you have to do. There is a good book that is I prefer. It's a next IAS PYQ book. You can go for the prelims I'm talking about, and by topic you can use this book. Like for example, if I'll talk about you are reading citizenship, just suppose, so just read citizenship in the book, then come to this book, this PYQ. Uh, See the PYQ UPSC has asked in the past. Try to solve them. When you solve, now you will gain a kind of confidence. Ki, yeah, things are making sense, and the confidence literally play a great role in your preparation. So the first tip I have gained in my preparation कि your confidence matters a lot because everyone come and say कि ये कर लो वो कर लो, कोई नहीं बताएगा कि कैसे करना है. So don't listen them and then do it. Okay.